Welcome to Commerce class. Today's class we shall see about the limitations of stock exchange. Let us see one by one. First they say there is no uniformity and control of stock exchanges. So lack of uniformity and control. Next, there is no restriction on the membership. That is to say anyone can become a member. So as to say membership ஆகிறதுக்கு வந்து எந்த ஒரு வரைமுறை எதுவுமே கிடையாது. So there is no restriction. Next, they fail to control unhealthy speculation. Healthy speculation is good, but unhealthy speculation which may cause a sudden rise and sudden fall, but sometimes it might turn out to be unhealthy also. So such time they are not able to control that type of speculation. Unhealthy speculation they are not able to control. Next, allowing more than one charges in a place. Then non insistence of margin requirement. They don't insist what is the margin requirement in stock exchange, especially in the case of produce exchanges. And finally, no proper regulation of listing of securities. We've seen earlier, listing means only those particular companies whose names are entered in the stock exchange register, they can be traded in that particular stock exchange for buying and selling of the securities, but they do not have proper regulation to list the securities in a particular stock exchange. So these are the limitations of stock exchange. Now we go on to see about the stock exchange in India. They say there are 24 stock exchange, out of which 21 are regional in nature. So out of this, 3 stock exchange are set up during the reform era. Those 3 are National Stock Exchange, Over-the-Counter Stock Exchange of India, and Interconnected Stock Exchange. So totally 24 stock exchange. Out of them, 21 are regional in nature, but the rest 3 have been set up during the reform era. Those rest 3, what we say is National Stock Exchange and Over-the-Counter Stock Exchange of India Limited and Interconnected Stock Exchange. Now this Interconnected Stock Exchange, that is promoted by 15 regional stock exchange. The 15 regional stock exchange மூலமா தான் இந்த Interconnected Stock Exchange வந்து நிறுவப்பட்டிருக்கு. It has been promoted and all of them are based in Mumbai only. Okay. Now here the advantage is they provide the member broker to access in the national market segment. So in the interconnected stock exchange members they can access to the national market segment. Apart from that, they can they can do the trading in the local segment also. Okay. Next, what is the nature, what type of regional stock exchange adopt is screen-based trading system, SBTS. So NSE, OTCI and ISE, that is National Stock Exchange, Over-the-Counter Exchange of India, as well as the Interconnected Stock Exchange, as well as the majority of the regional stock exchange. எல்லாருமே வந்து screen-based trading system தான் adopt பண்றாங்க. So as to provide automated and modern facilities for trading. So all this is based on computer-based transaction, and all the quotations are flashed there in the screen, and these are the facilities provided to the member brokers in the stock exchange. So automated modern facility for trading, and it is transparent, fair and open manner. So everything is clear over here, and not only that, the members can access the investors across the country. So எந்த இடத்துல இருந்து எங்க வேணா யார் வேணா transaction பண்ண முடியுது அவங்களால. Okay, so this is the advantage. So we see there are 24 stock exchange, 21 are regional, the rest 3 are the reform era. They are NSE, OTCA and ISE. ISE is promoted by 15 regional stock exchange, which is all based in Mumbai, and the members in that, they can access to the national market segment, and most of them, almost everyone, adopt the screen-based trading system, which the advantage over here is they can, the automated modern facilities provided for trading for the member there, as well as the transactions are transparent, fair and open manner, and they can access the investors across the country. Okay, and they have given a list of stock exchanges, at least 10 of it which you learn, which you may know is good. Okay, next we go on to see the 10 stock exchanges in the world. This is the world level. These data is on January 31st 2017. Okay, the New York Stock Exchange, located in New York City. NASDAQ, that is National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation. This is electronic stock exchange located in New York City. Next, London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange. Formerly, that is previously it was known as Japan Exchange Group, located in Tokyo. Okay, and then Shanghai Stock Exchange in China. Euronext, this is located in Europe, and France, Portugal, Netherlands, and Belgium take part here. Next, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Shenzhen Stock Exchange, TMX Group. Here this refers to the Canadian Stock Exchange, located in Toronto, Canada. Finally, it is the Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, so these are at the world level. Fine. And what we saw previously is here in the India. So 10 at least stock exchange, 10 to 5 stock exchange in India, we should know. So what we saw today was what are the limitations of stock exchange, and we saw about stock exchanges in India and a few listed in the world level. Now we go on to see the difference between stock exchange and commodity exchange. Now, stock exchange is an organized market for transacting industrial and financial security. Okay, industrial security, financial security transaction பண்ணனுமா அது வந்து stock exchangeல தான் பண்றோம். ஆனா commodity exchange அப்படிங்கிறது பொருட்கள் வாங்கி விக்கிறது, including metals and agriculture. So market for transacting tradable commodity. So metalலும் இதுல வரும். metalனா gold, silver எல்லாமே இதுல வரும், and agricultural product. Okay. Second point, what is the main object? இங்கே object வந்து facilitate capital formation. Capital formation காக அவங்க facility பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். அது வந்து capital formation stock exchange மூலமா தான் it is helping them to do it. Here goods வந்து flow ஆகணும். Producers கிட்ட இருந்து consumersக்கு flow ஆகுது. So facilitating the goods flow through risk reduction. Next, இதுல யாரெல்லாம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்றாங்க, இதில் யாரெல்லாம் இருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா இங்க இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸும் ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கிறாங்க எங்க ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சில். ஆனா கமோடிட்டி எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சில் ப்ரொடியூசர்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க, டீலர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, ட்ரேடர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, அண்ட் பாடி ஆஃப் ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ இங்க எல்லாருமே இருக்கிறாங்க. ஃபைன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வி சி what are the articles traded? என்ன articles trade பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா stock, bonds and government securities தான் இங்க trade பண்றாங்க. Whereas durable goods having price uncertainty, durable goods price வந்து certain fluctuate ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும், and uncontrollable supply. So இந்த மாதிரி goods தான் இங்க வந்து commodity exchangeல trade பண்றாங்க. Price quotation, only one quotation is possible. ஒரு securityக்கு வந்து ஒரு only one price தான் quote பண்ண முடியும். இங்க வந்து அப்படி இல்லை. ஒரு பொருளுக்கு they are able to give multiple quotation is possible for the product. Next, period of dealing. அவங்களோட dealing period. Cash ready delivery and dealings for account for a fortnight here. Whereas here instant cash dealing இருந்தாலும் settlement period வந்து 2 or 3 months for future market dealing is possible. Okay, so these are the difference between the stock exchange and commodity exchange. Next, we go on to see a few points about stock exchange. There are 24 stock exchanges in India. Out of them, 21 are regional in nature, and the rest 3 have been set up in reform era. That is, 3 are National Stock Exchange, over-the-counter Exchange of India, and Interconnected Stock Exchange. The Interconnected Stock Exchange that is promoted by 15 regional stock exchange. And the 15 regional stock exchange எங்க இருக்குது, மும்பைல இருக்கு. ஓகே, இவங்க என்ன மாதிரி ட்ரேடிங் அடாப்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னா ஸ்கிரீன் பேஸ்ட் ட்ரேடிங் சிஸ்டம் அதை தான் அடாப்ட் பண்றாங்க. யாரெல்லாம் National Stock Exchange, over the counter exchange of India, interconnected stock exchange, as well as the majority of the regional stock exchange screen based trading தான் adopt பண்றாங்க. இதோட advantage என்ன அப்படின்னா மாடர்ன் ஃபெசிலிட்டி வந்து மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, the advantage of screen based trading system is automated trading and modern facility to members, and their transactions are transparent, fair and open manner. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, they can access to members all over the country. So these are the facilities and advantage here in the screen based trading system. Okay, so we saw the difference between stock exchange and commodity exchange, and then we saw about a stock exchange in India and the method adopted. Thank you, children.